So I'm fixing my crow's feet, and as you can see, the injector is injecting away. This is a very basic thing. I've seen a lot of injectors injecting towards the eye, which can be very dangerous. Very simple basic rules need to be followed when you're doing Botox. So now we're fixing, and we will be fixing this other side now. ऊपर से नीचे ऊपर वाले के नीचे. Perfect now. So always, your work should be done in a safe manner. The technique should be safe. I when I see some videos, people going towards the eye, I get scared. And probably 100 cases there will be nothing, there won't be any problem, but one case gets a problem and it's a big problem. So when your technique matters a lot. This is just a very simple thing that I'm talking about. There are so many other things, so many other ways to inject, and I really find it very gutsy of people to be posting wrong techniques. That takes a lot of courage, and to be able to probably they don't know it. I'm not somebody who says bad about anyone, but you can't make your patient suffer because of lack of knowledge or being overconfident. Okay guys, thank you. I'll be coming live back again.